everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a bedroom tour. We finally finished the bedroom now, so I thought I would show you what it looks like. I'm so happy with it. We kind of went for a kind of chic, kind of girly, I guess, boudoir. It's just everything that I wanted for this bedroom. The bedroom itself is not like a huge bedroom, but it fits obviously our bed in it and everything else, and we've got enough storage for this room. Before we did this room, it was dark red, but it was painted dark red and it just needed a complete revamp. So we've done it and I'm so happy with it. The first thing we did was we painted the room obviously when we moved in, and then as the year has gone on, we've got all of our furniture and little finishing touches, which has finished it off really nicely, and I'm so happy with it. So it's actually been a year now that we've been in this house, so it's been a year in the making and I'm really happy with the transformation. Soon I'll be doing a home tour. I'm just waiting for the garden to be finished and then I'll do a full home tour so you can see that. But if you want to see what our house looked like before, I'll leave a link down below to our house tour before we started the renovation, so you can just see how much has changed already. So yeah, let's get started with my bedroom tour. Okay, so as you walk in, you get this view, and I'll just give you kind of like a little view of the bedroom. That's our bed there. We've changed the carpet. I get a lot of questions about the colour on our wall. The colour on the wall is called Polished Pebble by Dulux, and it's a really lovely soft grey, like not too dark, just is a really lovely contrast against like the white frames, I think. It's really pretty. So if I start over here, these were already built in when we moved in, so they're just built-in wardrobes, and we haven't done anything to them apart from paint the doors. I do need to change the knobs, but I just haven't got round to that. And then over here is my kind of dressing table area, which is what I'm going to use obviously when the baby comes and I'm no longer in the baby's room. This is all planned and set out for me so I can use this as a dressing table. I thought it was a really good idea. We kind of made these ourselves, so we bought the two IKEA units there, as you can see, and then we put a white worktop across the top, so we've created like a little desk or dressing table area, which I think is really good. On the top here I've just got some flowers, so these are just fake flowers. These flowers are actually from Poundland, and these ones here are from Home Sense, so we've got some like hydrangeas in there. The vase, or well, I don't know, it's like a bit of a lantern really, but I'm using it as a vase at the moment, and that is from TK Maxx, and the mirror there is from Dunelm. We've got our huge TV up on the wall there, which is a little bit of an eyesore, but we do use it every night and we love having a big TV in here. It's literally like having a cinema in our room at night time, which is lovely. We've also got a nice little tray here, which is also from Dunelm, with a couple of Jo Malone bits. So we've got a candle and we've got a perfume, and then I've got my Swarovski watch there. And then over here we've got some candles. Those were from IKEA, and some candle holders, they're from IKEA also. And then the flowers in the corner there are from Dunelm. I wanted to get some black pieces in here just because we've got the black handles on the dresser. So that is why I added some black details. And then the picture over here is from Desenio. I ordered a couple for this room and I just really love the kind of soft pink. It goes really well. I'll show you over here as well. You can see this side. This is the other side. So as you can see, it probably looks a little bit off center, but it's because when I have these open, I want them to be flat against the wall, so I'll show you how they look. So as you can see, when they're open, there's just a little bit of space on that side because I just didn't want it to be touching the picture, so that is why we left a little bit of extra room on either side for the pictures, and I think that looks really good. Our shutters are from Hillary's Blinds. We actually got them fitted. We had them made to measure for the house, and we had them in every room apart from the bathroom and the kitchen. So yeah, I'm really happy with those, and they're just perfect for this room, I think. I really love them. The lighting, we actually bought this from Wilkinson's, would you believe? And it is plastic. It's not actually like glass or anything, but I don't think you can really tell. I think it looks really pretty. We basically bought this as just like a backup. We didn't know what to put here, so for the time being we bought this, but I'm actually really happy with it. And I can't really see me changing it, to be honest, anytime soon. I'm happy with the way it looks. Really affordable as well. I'll come back to the bed situation in a moment, but I wanted to show you over here because, as you can see, we've now got a mirror over here. So you might not have seen this before, but this mirror actually used to be downstairs in our hallway, and it was like a golden kind of colour, but we actually painted it white, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous there. It just brings in so much more light, and it just finishes the room really perfectly, so I'm happy with that. That is the door to our ensuite. Also, I needed a stool for this dressing table area, and I got this one here, which is by Barstool. and I will link them down below for you. It's so gorgeous. It's a gorgeous kind of grey colour. I'll show it to you in a moment when the sun is not on it because it's so bright in here today. It's such a sunny day. Now onto the bed situation. So our bed is from Super Saver. I actually bought this online. It's got this kind of like velvet finish to it, and I believe I got it's either platinum or silver in velvet, and the height of the headboard is 150 centimetres because I wanted it to be nice and high. I wanted it to be, you know, the centerpiece of the room, and I think it really is, and it just looks perfect. I'm so happy with it. We've actually got the ottoman bed, so you can lift it up and there's storage beneath it, which is absolutely amazing. I love having extra storage, especially in a smaller bedroom. We need all the storage we can get, so that's where I put all of my bedding and stuff like that. The bedside tables are from Dunelm, and so are the lamps. I get a lot of questions about the lamps, but yeah, they're just from Dunelm. The flowers on top there are from HomeSense, and I've also got this kind of little candle holder here, which is actually more for storage. I just put my little hair clips and things in those, which is quite cool. The mirrors beside the bed are also from Dunelm. These were only £12.99, guys, and they do them in gold as well. I love finding a bargain. The bed was actually a real bargain as well. It was half the price of the beds I was finding online, so yeah, definitely check them out. I get a lot of questions about the bedding. The bedding that I've got is from Laura Ashley, so this is from Laura Ashley. These pillows are, and this duvet set. These pillows here are actually from Sainsbury's, and they're kind of like tassel pillows, which are cute, and I just like having them in here because they just go with the bed situation. It's all grey and pretty. This pink blanket is from Blankets Beautiful. They're on Instagram. And then this tray here is from Brissy, House of Brissy. I really love all of their products. I've got quite a few little bits from them now, and they're always such good quality. And then these little flowers here are from the range. Okay, so onto my side of the bed. I've just got this frame here from Dunelm, and then I've also got this clock here, which is from Laura Ashley. It's baby blue, so it doesn't really go in here, but I like having a clock next to my bed, and I thought that was quite sweet. So yeah, I've popped that next to the bed. And then in this frame here, I've just got a little print saying, "You look lovely," because I'm still waiting to print some pictures, so I just got that for now. Also, as you can see in there, I've got all of my little hair clips in there. So this is the dressing table stool. This is from Bar Stool, and I'm really happy with it. I think it looks really gorgeous. So with the black handles and the black candles there, I just think it's a really lovely contrast, and it's also very comfortable, which is nice. The rug also is from Dunelm. We just went for like a soft grey rug, which is lovely on the feet. And yeah, that is that side of the room. And that is basically our bedroom, guys. What do you think? Okay, so that is the end of my bedroom tour. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's probably quite short because obviously it's only one small room, but if you enjoyed it, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see a house tour soon as well, also give this video a thumbs up so I know to film it for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.